Review Hub.
Brand name, AIWEINY. Model number, AWN-2313. Item length, 22.7 inches / 39 centimeters. Item type, luggage. Item width, 15.4 inches / 39 centimeters. Item height, 9.4 inches / 24 centimeters. Item weight, 9.7 pounds / 4.4 kilograms. Gender, unisex. Lock, TSA Smart Security Lock. Zipper, anti-riot zipper. Have drawbars? Yes. Luggage type, hard side luggage. With lock? Yes. Caster, fixed casters. Main material, PC. CN, Jiangxi. Material, PC plus ABS plus aluminum frame. Compartment, double-sided compartment. Place of origin, China, mainland. Universal wheel, silent universal wheel. Charging port, USB/Type-C dual output. Patent, patent applications filed in the UK, France, Germany, the United States, and other countries.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.